Have you ever sit and think about eating some nice juicy chicken drumstick? Well, look no further. This is the video for you. My name is Kenroy and today I'm gonna show you how to prepare the tastiest chicken drumstick. Let's go. So here we have 8 nice chicken drumsticks. I am gonna season up that with 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, a tablespoon and a half of complete seasoning, 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, half cup of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, no salt because all these seasonings have salt already. And to go along with that, we have some Brussels sprouts, we have some Irish potato, we have onion, hot pepper, we have garlic, thyme, we have chili, pepper, scallion. So here we go now with washing the chicken. So with this chicken, I'm gonna get in first now. Rinse off that vinegar. I start off with the complete seasoning right over it, just like that. Chicken seasoning. It's not curry, guys, it's yellow, but I promise you it's not curry. That all-purpose seasoning. This is 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. This is 1 teaspoon of garlic seasoning. And now I have to get in first now. I'm gonna get my pot heated on the fire to start the next phase with these chicken drumsticks. Tune in. Here we go with our drumsticks. Fire on low heat. There you have it. My drumsticks are in and they're starting to feel the heat of that fat bottom. So thank you very much for joining, guys. This is where it starts. This is where it all begins. The process from start to finish. Keep watching. Now I'm gonna cut up these for the next phase. I'm not gonna allow these to burn, so I'm gonna turn them a couple times. First thing I'm gonna add is my garlic. Now I'm gonna add my soy sauce. Start adding the rest of my vegetable. Make that go and do its thing. That is looking wonderful. What I'm doing here is just moving it around. Everything gets simmer. You know what I mean? Turn over these chickens so they each side get the soak properly. You know what I mean? Look at that. Look at that nice brown color. That is what we are looking for. All we're gonna do now is just make that simmer. Some sun. Yes, sir. That is what I'm talking about. Look at my chicken. Wow. This is gonna be so tasty. This is what I'm talking about, my beautiful people. The tastiest drumstick you're gonna ever taste. Wish you could have get some. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel now. This is it, guys. Chicken drumstick, nice and tender, easy and simple. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel now. Welcome to my favorite part of the video. Taste this. Guys, this chicken drumstick is looking so juicy. Wow. You can see how juicy that is. Well done. Fall right off the bone. The soy sauce definitely give it a different taste from when you would do normal brown stew chicken. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the YouTube channel now to get more wonderful recipe like this. One thing I can say, when you eat with your hands, you're connected to the food, it just tastes so much better. Thank you very much for joining. I'm out.